Our first option of the data strategy package is Essential Data Strategy. This is a 2-week engagement where we help you understand your current state and we identify the most impactful possible data initiative for you to undertake, and we give you a plan for how to implement it right away. The Essential Data Strategy offering is really for departments or small businesses who are really just starting to understand their data strategy needs. You may be a sales or marketing function that needs better analytics on pipeline. You may be a small business in IT that's just graduated from spinning up a data warehouse, and now you need to know how to enlarge it and get it ready to scale as your business scales. So how does the Essential Data Strategy work? What can you expect from Analytics 8 when you engage us? Well, we'll start with data strategy workshops. That's when our experts conduct workshops with your stakeholders and other key personnel to understand what are your business goals, what's driving you, what are your priorities, and what are some of the risks around your data that we need to understand. We'll then work with you on a data initiative prioritization, taking that input from the workshops to figure out what are the most impactful data initiatives you can undertake and trying to measure them based on their business impact so you can identify what the right first step is to take. And then we'll give you some actionable recommendations. We'll provide you a summary report that highlights the most important data initiatives, how they're going to impact your business, and an implementation plan to actually go ahead and get it done. So now you understand how our engagement works. Let me tell you about the deliverables for the Essential Data Strategy package. Ultimately, you get a summary report that includes vital information and actionable recommendations for what you can do next. This includes a current state assessment that outlines the business drivers and requirements that your stakeholders have identified. This will also include any barriers to achieving those goals and pitfalls to avoid. And finally, it'll also involve opportunities to doing more with your data than you might have considered before the engagement. We'll also do a feasibility assessment. This includes both a data readiness evaluation, i.e. how ready is your data for being analyzed, and a technology readiness evaluation that includes what tools you're using and whether you have a sufficient stack to achieve your goals. And finally, we'll identify that prioritized data initiative. We'll give you a requirements document on how to actually execute on that initiative, and we'll give you a tactical implementation plan and an SOW if you would like Analytics 8 to engage with you to get that work done.